naglagay ng period dito sa ano? Third quarter. Amen. Always number 2. Sandar. Only number 21. Number 10 dribble. Number 9, tumira 3 points. Pasok. Number 6, Sandar. Number 10, pass to number 11. 11 dribble. Pass to number 6. Sayang. Uno pa. Pass to number 2. Tumirong number 2. Hindi pasok. Rebounds number 9. Oh, number 13. Pass to 21. Matay na naman. Ang score, 35-24. Naman ang 35. Oh, mayroong foul. 22 live foul. First team foul ang live. Live. 22. Number 22. Steven. 11. Tumira ang 3 points. Pasok. Naulis 13. Sa live. Pass to 21. 21 dribble. 21 dribble ang foul. Mayroong fouls number 6. Number 6 start. Foul lang. Foul. Tapi kung anong foul. First team foul number 10 sa line dribble. Toho. Pinasa sa 22. Kapit huli. Number 10 tumira ng 3 points. Walang pasok. Rebound number 2. Pass to number 6. Oh, grabe. Oh, kabayo. Diyon. Bola sa line. Number 10 sa line dribble. Pass to number 9. Back to number 10. Dribble. Balik sa 9. Tumira ng dribble. Ay! Ano yung bansahan niya? Huwag yung patayan kay Luis. Oh, huli naman. Number 10. 10 dribble. Pintoy. Two shot. Pintoy. Number 11. Third quarter na po tayo. Third quarter. 5-7 minutes. Deriada number 10. Tumira. Wala. Rebound ng number 2. Number 2 dribble ng pass to number 11. Number 11 finish. 2 point. Time out. All-star.
Upuan.
Eh, okay na to. Matatapos na.
Pwede. Upuan daw.
Start.
Third quarter. Score 14. All-star. 28. MM Auto.
May shot clock na po tayo. Mamaya ka pala. Time out lang pala.
Number 11. Dribbling the ball. Oy, ang ganda ng pasa. Oy, wala.
Number 21, shooting for 2. Basket. Yes. Oh, 2 points by number 21. Number 2, dribble the ball. Mapasahan. Wala. Number 2. Number 2 ulit. Pera. Pasok. Number 2. 2 points. Pass. Number 9. Dribbling the ball. Oy, libre. Number 7, 2 points. 442, All-Star, 32, MSR. Dalawa po ng 10 points ng All-Star.
Next up, rep.
Number 10. Number 18. Foul. May nakita niyo yung foul. Who's foul, ref?
Sub. Second team foul, one line.
Nice catch. Number 2. 2 points. Number 3 points. Nothing. Special grade on the number 2. Early pumasok. Nice. 2 points by Early. So natin 44 All-Star. 34 Otto. Sarili ng pass. Seconds pala. Sorry. Number 18, dribbling the ball. Pass to Brada. Number 11. Foul. Useful foul. Number 10. Number 13. Go.
Kentoy, third foul. Three-team foul.
Wala. Money. Number. Oy, libre si Raymond. Patay na. 2 points. Oy. All number 22. Number 20.
All-star, one team for penalty.
Number 18. Shooting for 2.
Hina ang battery.
May inayang battery nyo nagsasalita.
Oh. Okay, dribbling the ball. Ganap mapasahan. Pinasa kay number 22. 22 for 3 points. Wala. Number 18. Wala mapasahan. Ayun. Number 7. Very good. Time. Last quarter, fourth quarter. Last touch by number 7. Doriana, holding the ball. Hey, tumira ng 3 points. Wala. Rebound again by Raymond. Oh, pinalit kay Doriana. Doriana, pinasa. Number 13. Wala. Okay, foul. Number 21. Number 21. Foul. Holding foul. Number 21. Who's fouling? Fencing foul. Number 11. Score 46-39. Lamang po ang line. Oh, malapit na. Pati na lang yan. Pati na lang. Punta na. Number 13. Naghanap papasahan. Ay, pumasok sa loob. Inan sa labas. Raymond, 3 points. Oh! 3 points. 3 pass. MVP. MVP Roman. High foul. Who's fouling? 22 foul. Who's still foul? Lights. Number 7. Shooting for 2. Who's banco player? Second throw. Pasok. Wala. Rebound by early. Who's fouling? Who's foul? So, 9 points. Alaman ng All-Star, 9 points. Mahaba pa ang oras, 5 minutes, malayo pa yan. Back to the ball game, back to the ball game. Dark ball, number 10 ball. Pinasa kay bola, bulan. Number 10 again. Pinasa sa ilalim. Pinabas. Tumira ng 3. Pasok! Number 2 lang. 2 points, 2 points. Number 18. 2 points, 2 points. Number 10. Score 49. Dark. Ano? Light. 49 All-Star. Hey, may foul. Number 2. Dark foul. Number 2. Raiden.
13 foul.
Foul. Dark. Bayada. 3 seconds violation ng All-Star. May nakita sa referee. Okay. Number 2. Wala! Uy! Tumira ng 3. Wala! Rebound! Number 18. Rebound! Lakas nila. 23 points nila. Uy! May foul! Foul number 21. Early 21. Foul. 13 foul, early, third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Line. Airball yun ah. One more chance. One more chance.
Warning, delaying the game.
One more.
11.
Ay, masok. 1 point. So natin 43 likes. Dahil, 49 likes. Foul number 7. Number 7 foul. Warning. Warning penalty. Warning for penalty. Both teams. Oh, right shot. Pasok. Right. 50-43. Lamang po ang live. Pasok. Challenge. 51-43. Score. Time. 1 minute. 5 seconds. Lapas. Pera ng 3 points. Wala, kapos. Oy! Foul. Number 2. Dark. Penalty. Shooting for 2. Early. Number 21. Persian. Yeah. One more. Wala. Number 2. Dribble the ball. Pinasa kay number 10. Uy! No foul. Ay, nakuha ulit ang number 2. Ay! Nakuha. Dribbling the ball. Number 10. Personal foul. Penalty. Number 21. Shooting for 2. Early. Number 10. Bulan. Pera number 10. Rebound by number 10. Arianda. Arianda, shoot the ball. Arianda, shoot the ball. Oy, may lamok. Foul. Number 2. Bypass. Graduation. Graduate. Team foul. So, good shot. Number 21. Pasok na naman. Score 55-43. 34 seconds remaining. Wala. Rebound by Kintoy. Dribbling by Turiada. Tumira ng press. Walang pantay. Pumasok. 3 points. Number 10. Score 58-43. Wala. Wala talaga. Wala talaga. Walang. Pasok, number 10. Score 16-43.